Hey there, fellow fountain pen lovers. In this video, I'll reveal my top 3 fountain pens that are perfect for any writing enthusiast. Plus, stay tuned till the end because I've scored the web for the best deals on these pens. You'll find all the product links and prices in the description below. Let's get started. Asvine P30 Piston Fountain Pen. Many users have praised the Asvine fountain pen for its smooth nib and good ink flow. They appreciate the comfortable and reliable writing experience it offers. Some have mentioned that it's an excellent option for beginners and those looking for a dependable everyday writing tool. The pen's weight and design have received positive feedback. Users like the substantial feel of the pen, which gives it a sense of quality and balance. The combination of materials, such as the clear plastic middle and coated brass components, is also mentioned as aesthetically pleasing. Several users highlight the affordability of the Asvine pen, emphasizing that it provides good value for the price. They see it as a cost-effective alternative to more expensive fountain pens, making it accessible to a wider audience. Some users express frustration with the instructions that come with the pen, specifically regarding the filling process. They find the instructions difficult to follow and, in some cases, irrelevant to the pen's functionality. This has left them feeling confused and dissatisfied with the product's overall user experience. There are users who express disappointment with the pen's construction and certain functional aspects. Some have found that specific components, like the end cap, can be challenging to work with. This has led to a perception of the pen as subpar in terms of build quality, and some have questioned its overall value. In summary, the Asvine fountain pen appears to offer a smooth writing experience and a pleasing design at an affordable price, making it a suitable choice for some users. However, there are notable concerns related to the instructions and the overall build quality that have left other users dissatisfied with their purchase. Amazon Basics Fountain Pen. The fountain pen had a mixed reputation among users. On the positive side, some customers were pleased with its smooth and comfortable writing experience. They appreciated the pen's performance once it was working correctly. These users often recommended it for beginners who wanted an affordable entry into the world of fountain pens. However, many reviewers encountered persistent issues, which led to disappointment. One common problem was the ink flow, with several users reporting that the pen would skip or not write consistently. This inconsistency made it difficult to complete writing tasks efficiently. Leakage was another recurrent concern, with customers finding that the ink would sometimes seep out unexpectedly, resulting in ink-stained fingers and surfaces. Some users struggled to insert the ink cartridges into the pen, finding it challenging, especially for those with dexterity issues. The nib responsible for transferring ink to the paper posed problems for some customers. They mentioned that it didn't receive ink properly, leading to gaps in writing and the need to go over letters multiple times to complete them. In response to these issues, some reviewers recommended alternative fountain pens like the Platinum Preppy or the Pilot Metropolitan, expressing dissatisfaction with the quality and performance of the product in question. While the product did have its supporters who appreciated its appearance and feel in hand, the overall consensus seemed to be that it offered a mixed experience, with many users having to deal with persistent problems related to ink flow, leakage, and nib performance. Hongdian N8 White Acrylic Fountain Pen. The Hongdian N8 fountain pen has captured the hearts of many with its remarkable craftsmanship and elegant design. Its luminous white body with silver highlights, adorned with flying feathers and peace doves, makes it a work of art. The pen not only looks stunning, but also writes smoothly, free from blobs, skips, or leaks. Users are delighted by its smooth writing experience and appreciate the absence of rough edges or burrs. The medium nib produces a Western-style medium line, and the pen feels like a luxury item despite its affordable price. The pen's value for money is highly praised as it competes with pens that cost significantly more. It's described as a beautiful, high-quality pen that outperforms its price point. The long knife nib is highlighted for offering excellent line variation at different angles, adding a fun dimension to writing. Despite some issues with the extra fine nib for one user, the majority of reviewers are delighted with its performance. Users find the Hongdian N8 to be a delightful addition to their fountain pen collections, and some even express eagerness to purchase more Hongdian pens. Its aesthetics, weight, and writing quality are universally appreciated, making it a highly recommended choice for fountain pen enthusiasts. Thanks for joining me in showcasing my top 3 fountain pens. If you want to explore these pens further, check out the product links in the video description below. Don't miss out on these incredible writing companions.